When you're getting into medical aesthetics, you're looking into a career with hands-on. So theory is one thing, but practical and clinical are very important. We do our theory during the beginning of our curriculum, and we do add a practical clinical to our theory, which aligns with what the students are going to see out in the real world. So we are using medical devices for skin tightening, laser, acneic, and it is devices that you'll find in a dermatology clinic or plastic surgeon. We have one department which focuses on facial and laser treatments, for example, and we have another area we focus on massage, body care, and we have other departments for nail and makeup and foot care as well. And sanitization. We have all departments in our lab. We do add in real life business structure to our program for individuals who want to get right into business after their program. And that's usually like about 50-50 in our classroom. We have individuals who want to work in medical or spa, or who want to directly go into their own practice.